Yep, they're going after it. They did it again. This time a chocolate factory in Reading, Pennsylvania. Yeah, they don't know what caused it. And then later on they say, oh, it might be a gas leak that caused a massive explosion at a food factory, processing plant, however you want to phrase it. Yeah, chocolate factory. Gone. How many factories? How many food processing plants? How many trains derailment? Do you understand what's going on? Do you understand? Do you? There's an agenda going on. It's called 2030. They want to eat the bugs. Price us out of everything, including food. Take a look at this. Oops-a-daisy, another oops-a-daisy. Looks like a BOMB went off to me, but what do I know, huh? And if attacking the oops daisy, I meant if these coincidences like food processing plants, train derailments, um, you know, petroleum processing facilities going up in flames all at once isn't enough, how would you like to be in her shoes? Now let me just say this, you don't have a heart or a soul if you think, if this doesn't move you. A mother, her son was missing from 10 o'clock the night before. She's frantic. And this is how she finds out. Look at this.
He's out there somewhere since 10 o'clock last night. I can't do this. I don't think I'm strong enough. I don't think I'm strong enough. I don't think I'm strong enough. So I'm headed to the police station right now. Just to think that my baby was on the side of the road somewhere since 10 o'clock last night and nobody knows where he's at. And I'm calling him and I'm calling him. And no answer.
This happened in Gwinnett County, which is not far from where I am. Anyway, so her and her husband are headed to the Gwinnett County Sheriff's Department to find out what's going on. Where's my son? We need to find him. Can you find him? I need to report him missing. And as she's driving, she says, she thinks to herself, well, I'm going to call him one more time. Let me call him again. Maybe he'll answer. That isn't who answered. Take a look. So she's calling her son's cell phone yet again.
Hello? Who has his phone?
Someone says, hang on just a second. Hands it over to the medical examiner.
Yes?
Miss Russell, my name is Tina Miller, and I work for the Gwinnett County Medical Examiner's Office.
Medical examiner, is my son dead?
Are you alone?
Yes, no, my husband's here. Is my son dead?
Can you pull over if you're driving?
Babes, pull over right now, babes. Pull over, just pull over. Pull over right now. Pull over. Pull over. She said medical examiners, babe. She said medical examiners. Is my son dead?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Traffic accident. And there you go. Serious crash with injuries shuts down I-85 Gwinnett County. Gwinnett County. You want to know why? You want to know why? From my experience, because they're driving in Atlanta like they want to kill someone. They're tailgating. They're tailgating you. They're driving in cliques. They're cutting you off in your lane. They're doing all kinds of crazy stuff. They're racing, two hot rods racing, racing on the interstate. Where are the cops? I don't know. There's plenty of revenue on there. Arrest them, take them off the road. They're driving like they want to kill someone, then treat them like a criminal. These drivers, they're dangerous drivers on the interstate in Atlanta, I-85, I-75, and this is why things like this happen. If everyone just stayed in their lane, spaced themselves apart appropriately, didn't cut everybody off, didn't do weird, all crazy nonsense on the road, things like this wouldn't happen. This tragedy could have been avoided. It's time to do the right thing. Stop driving dangerously. You're gonna shave a couple of seconds off your trip. You might be shaving years off your life and someone else's.